So in this series of tutorials, I should be going through how to make 2D animation, like 2D character animation for games, especially using 2D animation package in Unity. So I'll be going over roughly these steps. I may go over a bit more, but let's stick with these 5 parts at least, and maybe I'll be continuing with the rest. So part 1 will be setting up the character. I'll be mostly using Photoshop for layering because you already understand the Photoshop layers, which is pretty handy. Part 2 will be discovering how to the animation packages, how to install, how to update, and how to use the skinning editor and import the character. Part 3 will be going how to actually connect your sprite with the boons, as I think part 2 I think part 2 will be adding also the boons, or part 3 whichever will be adding the boons. After that we'll be connecting the sprites to the respective boons, as the boons will be pretty much controlling the sprites. Part 4 will be modifying the geometry, something which controls the sprite pretty much, and make manual weights, because usually automatic weights doesn't work as good, but if it did, well, nice, but I don't think so. Part 5 will be setting up the character in Unity workspace in hierarchy, and adding the constraints as IK and FK. Alright,